Welcome to today's session. We will explore how to extract URL parameters and convert them into an object in JavaScript. This can be extremely useful when working with query strings in web development. The goal is to pass the query string in a URL and convert the parameters into a JavaScript object. We will handle both scenarios where parameters exist and where they don't. This function works by using a regular expression to find all key value pairs in the URL. The reduce method then processes these pairs to create an object where each key corresponds to a parameter name and each value corresponds to the parameter's value. The process starts with the match method to extract query parameters. If no parameters are found, an empty array is used. We then use the reduce method to loop over matches, slicing the strings to extract keys and values. And finally, we return the constructed object. Let's analyze some examples. For a URL with parameters such as http url.com/page ? Name equal Adam and ampersand surname equals Smith. The function extracts and converts the parameters into a JavaScript object. URLs without parameters such as google.com return an empty object. This solution leverages ES6 features such as error functions, concise syntax, and modern arrays methods like reduce to process matches and build the output object. This technique is widely used in web development for processing query parameters, such as in analytics to track campaign URLs or in search engines to handle user queries. In summary, this program simplifies extracting URL parameters and converting them into an object. It is efficient, lightweight, and suitable for many real-world applications in web development. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.